Students, and welcome back to our English class. Dear students, today I am here with the English book of Standard 8, question answers of chapter 1, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, authored by Ruskin Bond, one of India's most famous and beloved authors. So let's begin with understanding the text. Answer these questions. First question. Why was Nathu, the sweeper boy, annoyed? The answer is Nathu, the sweeper boy, was annoyed because of the irregular payment of his salary. The bank was holding up his 2 months' salary, and they even rejected the idea to give him a raise. Let's take up question number 2. How did news about the bank change from Mrs. Prakash's telling to Mrs. Bhushan's? The answer is Mrs. Prakash informed Mrs. Bhushan that Seth Govind Ram's bank was not being able to pay its employees for 2 months, which included Nathu, the sweeper boy of the bank. Mrs. Bhushan concluded that if the bank was failing to pay its sweeper, then it must have gone bankrupt. She then told her husband and others that the bank had not paid its employees for 3 months. This is how the news about the bank changed from Mrs. Prakash's telling to Mrs. Bhushan. Let's take up the third question. How did the barber and his customer react to the news about the bank? What words in para 17 tell you that the customer was more worried about his money than his injury? The answer is Faiz Hussain, the barber, was so shocked to hear the news of the bank going bankrupt that his hands shook and he nicked his customer's right ear. The customer, an elderly gentleman, yelped with pain and distress. Pain because of the cut, and distress because of the news he had just heard. With one side of his neck still unshaved, he ran out of the shop to a general store where there was a telephone. This line, dear students, shows that the customer was more worried about his money than his injury. Dear students, we'll continue with the remaining questions, that is question number 4 to question number 7, in the next video. So, the video is to be continued. Till then, goodbye and stay happy. Thank you.